this turtleneck here is giving you a clue about the color of the beauties I've just bought. Hi everyone, salut a tutti. So today we are diving in the world of luxury footwear with quite a spontaneous purchase. Look what I've got here. You get the brand, so look who's bought an 18th pair of mule sandals. La sottoscritta. I know I can't help it. I know I shouldn't be browsing websites such as Louis Vuitton, but yeah, that's the way it is. I guess you can say I'm hooked. So yeah, I bought summer shoes in the dead of winter, but hey, in my defense, fingers crossed, next week I'll be in Miami. We're February the 21st as of filming, so yeah, it's winter, but let's say I needed some purple perfection for those hot days ahead. Fingers crossed again. These beauties I'm gonna show you actually break two rules of mine, or let's say two rules I've been trying to implement. Not very successfully, I have to admit, but anyway, that's another story. Namely, I'm buying full price shoes and it's not a seasonal buy. But yeah, just know that hopefully these will be helpful next week, even though we are a few months away from summer. But here in Corsica, you can wear sandals as early as May. So again, I think the cost per wear won't be that bad. Because no spoiler alert, I'm keeping these. I've done a bunch of videos where I was trying on shoes and bags and I wasn't certain of keeping them. But these were love at first fit, and you're gonna understand why. So without further ado, let me show these beauties that came in a nice box, in dust bags, of course. Let me introduce the Louis Vuitton Isola Mule sandals. I think it's safe to say that these beauties come with all the bells and whistles. They're crafted from supple calf leather. They feature the iconic oversized Louis Vuitton cutout, and they're boasting an anatomical sole for extra comfort and lightness too, because of their microcellular outsole. In a nutshell, perfect for strutting out in style. And did I mention a very important fact about them? They're made in Italy, and I mean, it shows. The quality is amazing. They're fabulous. They have a lot going on for them. I was literally drawn to them in a kind of magnetic way because of their shade. They're gorgeous. I hope it shows on camera because they're of the most gorgeous shade of violet. The shade had me at hello. I mean, it's the most perfect violet, amazing ultraviolet, I would say, and they happen to be the ideal match for my Fendi bag, for my Fendi Can You bag here. Let's just compare the shades. Now looking at the camera, it's actually slightly darker, but no, they rock together. Freedom bag, Isola sandals. Isola comfort sandals, because you have, by the way, before I forget about it, a more classic design for these sandals. But yeah, I think they're way less comfortable. So I picked those instead. And I'm very happy for that. So yeah, the perfect match for my Fendi bag. And it's funny because if I compare, so this is not my first pair of sandals, granted, but it's my first pair of violet sandals, purple sandals. I already own a pair of purple boots, the Fendi Freedom boots. So I don't know if it's because it's a different material, probably. But if I compare the two, I bought them together a few years ago in Paris, and I think you can see it's really not the same shade of purple. So actually, and it's being from the same brand, from the same designer. Whereas, and this is a huge plus for them, a huge asset. The two together, although they're not from the same designer, but look at these two together. The perfect match, again. They're clearly not on the cheap side, as you may have guessed. They retail for 710 euros. But enough said, for the time being, let's put these beauties on. I have tights and I have a purple outfit. So today is just purple madness. And it's a color I love. It's a spiritual color. I don't know if this is why I'm drawn to it so much, but yeah, purple is just a color I can't get enough of. Guys, this is the moment of truth. Look at the fit. So yeah, the sizing is just perfect. They fit like a glove. Literally, they fit like a glove, which is always tricky for sandals. And also, especially for my feet, my big toe being longer than the other toes, their shape is just, you know, what I need for the shape of my feet. So yeah, take your normal size. I'm a size 40. I'm a French 40 and I ordered a 40 and they fit like a dream. So take your normal size, and also wearing them right now, I can tell you, you can feel their anatomical sole. Will I never get blisters with them? I don't know, especially if I walk a lot, and especially, you know, the first times I'll be wearing them. But what I know is, like, right now, they feel amazing. So, are these worth the splurge? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. I guess you have to stay tuned and check my Instagram for some cool outfits. And also because I have to confess it, I have another pair of shoes, of Louis Vuitton shoes on the way. And fingers crossed, they arrive before my Miami trip. But we'll see, so stay tuned. Anyway, yeah, I think they're worth the splurge. Because one, I don't own a pair of shoes in that color. Two, this shade of purple, I know I'll never get tired of. Three, it's surprisingly versatile. You can wear it with a ton of other colors, even though my first goal is to wear them with this bag, because you know how much, I did a video on that, you know how much I love just, you know, matching my shoes to my bag. So this is a big one. And yeah, they're actually, I think it's safe to say, I don't know if they will be comfortable right away, but what I know for sure is that these shoes, and they look like Birkenstocks too, were definitely made for walking. Unlike, I mean, they're expensive, but the cost per wear won't be as bad, because you know that unlike very high heels or, you know, more eccentric shoes, you can get a ton of wear out of them. Again, stay tuned to find out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion adventures. And until next time, my friend, stay fabulous. Vi prego una buona giornata, baci e scialada vi là.